Priya started her YouTube channel and kept hearing one scary word: algorithm. People talked about it like it was a monster that decides who wins or who loses. Priya felt confused and worried. But the truth is very simple. The YouTube algorithm is not a person and not a villain. It's just a system that tries to show viewers videos they will enjoy watching. That's all. YouTube watches what people click, how long they watch, and if whether they are coming back or not. If people enjoy your video, YouTube shows it to more people. If they leave fast, YouTube slows it down. Many beginners think they need tricks or secret hacks, but what really helps is making videos that solve one clear problem and keeping people interested from the start. Pick one type of viewer, talk about one main idea, and explain it in a simple way as you can. Use the clear titles and thumbnails so the right people will click. When viewers stay longer, YouTube learns that your video is good. The algorithm does not hate small creators, it is just learning about you. If you keep uploading in one direction and help people again and again, the algorithm slowly understands your channel and starts recommending your videos.